AirPods Pro not appearing in Find My is a common issue. First, ensure your AirPods are properly paired and connected to an iOS device signed into your iCloud account. Find My relies on iCloud integration for tracking. Outdated firmware on your AirPods or paired device can cause issues. Bluetooth connectivity problems can prevent Find My from working. Find My may be disabled in your iCloud settings. Recent iOS 18.1 updates have fixed some syncing bugs, but problems can still occur. Remember, AirPods need to be within Bluetooth range initially for Find My to activate. First, verify that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone or iPad and that your AirPods Pro are properly paired. This ensures the basic connectivity is established. Second, ensure Find My is turned on specifically for AirPods. Navigate to Settings, tap your name, then Find My, and confirm Find My AirPods is enabled. Third, make sure Share Across Devices is enabled in your iCloud settings. This allows location data to sync across all your Apple devices. Fourth, reset your AirPods through Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset Device, Reset. This resolves firmware mismatches. Then repair them with your device. Fifth, ensure your device is running the latest iOS version. Updates often include fixes for Find My connectivity issues. Sixth, advanced users should check for third-party apps that might interfere with Bluetooth or location services. Disable them temporarily to test. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Apple support for further assistance. Remember, Apple is actively improving Find My with AI-driven predictions and better syncing to minimize future problems.